Least squares regression line. The placement of the regression line minimizes the total square predictive error. The equation for this is found in 161. Y prime equals b, x plus a. B is the slope, a is the x-intercept. You're trying to figure out the slope, and he wants us to say it in English. So y prime equals bx plus a. X represents the known number, the known value, and y prime is the predicted value. When you solve for b, here's the equation. So for a, y prime, y bar minus b x bar. Okay. The least squares regression equation is the equation that minimizes the total of all square predictive errors known for y-scores in the original correlation analysis. In solving for y prime, here's a little example right there. And then standard error of estimate equation is right down here. It's a little confusing, it's just y minus y prime, so the actual value minus the predicted value squared, sum of those over n minus 2. Okay. It's a rough measure of the average amount of predicted error. And over here you could say you might find it helpful to think of the standard error of estimate as a rough measure of the average amount of predictive error, that is, as a rough measure of the average amount by which known y values deviate from their predicted y prime values. Prognosis for predictive effort is most favorable when predictions are based on strong relationships, sizable positive or negative value of R. And they talk about the importance of R over here.